Hi everyone, this is a Make Something New challenge hosted by Christy, so I hope you enjoy. I would like to thank Christy for this challenge, and don't forget to check out the playlist for this challenge. Thank you. Let's get started. Okay, gather up as many plastic containers or empty plastic containers or packaging that you have. The thick packaging plastic is really the best thing to use with this project. Once you have the thick plastic, you want to cut it into long strips, as many long strips as you can. You want to make as many sizes as you can. Various sizes will give you a nice design look. So you want to see how many small circles or medium-sized circles to each platter, and then you want to trace it and then cut it out. Now you can use paper, thick paper, or cardstock for this, but the thick paper is best, and you'll see why later on. Using the same thick paper, you want to, for the sizes, for each size design that you're going to use, you want to cut out the paper size the same as your circles that you're going to use for your design. So you want to use that because that's going to help you determine how to cut each circle. You want to fold your paper circle as seen here, and you want to fold it in half, then in half again, then that in half, and you will get this pattern on your paper. After you have your fold pattern, then you're going to find the center, and you're going to draw a circle around the center, a small circle in the middle, and then you're going to mark each point around your circle. Now this guide, paper guide, once you mark your platter circles, will help you to know exactly where to start your cuts. Now when you start making your cuts, be very careful. You want to start at the edge and you want to work toward the small circle in the middle. This will help you get your cuts going all the way around, but take your time. Now that you have your various circles and your design pattern, now it's time to assemble your design. Now with your glue gun and your plastic strip, you're going to start to put together your design. Use the plastic strips to help you lay out your design and to connect your designs as much as possible. When using your glue gun, be very careful. You want to first apply your glue to the clear strip and then wait and then apply your circle. You want to use your hot glue gun low setting if you have that, the low temp. That will help also, but you have to move a little bit faster with that because it will get cool much quicker. But with the hot setting, you want to apply it and then wait, and then apply the plastic circle. You use the plastic strips to help to connect your circles together, as you see here. Remember, you're using your clear strips to connect each design together, each circle together, to complete your design. And here is one of the design look. This was used with 3 separate design patterns. You can put just 2 together in one area, or you can use all 3 separate design patterns and stretch it all the way across the wall. This design can be so versatile, and you can use it in any design space. How would you use this in your space? Comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, make a comment below and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. If you're not familiar with my other DIYs and home decor videos, please take the time to view them. And thank you.